video, we are not going anywhere because today my brother will unbox his gift from Jax. So Jax gave him a gift, so Jax bought a gift. So let's find out what's inside of this box. So what are we waiting for? Happy watching! Sana all!
Pakilala ka muna, oy.
Wala na nabuksan.
Ate will introduce me in her next vlog.
Uy! Walang tiyan. Ba't di yung Reppy unbox mo din? Benji will unbox the next one.
Kaya ba? Hello.
The ano, folder with
feet for
The feet.
the support. Dami natin mamalisi.
stuff.
The instructions.
Remote control.
Uy, vlogger.
Okay, cool. There's a TV inside.
Be careful, ah.
Uy, ang laki.
So you put it down so you put the feet on it.
Ang nipis, te. Uy, nakatingin siya. Ang sama ng tingin niya kay Xiaomi. What's that? Wala na yata yan. Styrofoam na lang.
Wala ba yung vlog?
So, that's it guys. That's our Xiaomi Mi LED TV 4S brought to you by Jax. So Jax bought a new TV for my brother for his townhouse. This TV will be placed in the sofa and the other TV will place inside his room. So he have two television set. So I will put the specs of Xiaomi Mi LED TV 4S in my description box down below, and you can check them out. This one have a 4K Ultra HD Android TV, HDR, HDMI with Chromecast, and full feature and powered by Android TV. Again, also have a plenty of ports such as LAN connect to the internet and HDMI that can connect to your computer or game console. Yes, so there's also a 3 ports for USB and AV input. Connect to the top box, can connect to Bluetooth or via Wi-Fi support, and tabletop or wall mounted. You can also put in the wall, and you can put also in your TV set. And that's the installation, of course. And the processor and storage is 64 byte quad-core processor, and the package included with 2 bays, the end of the television guys, and 1 remote control, 1 user manual, and 4 screws. So that's the end of our video for today. I hope you enjoy my brother's unboxing. Thank you very much for the support. Thanks for supporting my videos guys, and mega love shout out to each one of you who are watching now, people of the universe. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Please like if you did enjoy my video today, and please subscribe if you haven't yet, and don't forget to hit the bell button for you to notify on my next video. And please comment down below if you like this video po, and see you when I see you on my next one. Bye bye guys, be good, you take care, be safe, and ciao la.